Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of a helix. Okay? Now, the helix in today's topic is an important topic because on this channel, a previous video was made and the helix was a fundamental concept for the construction of this um, engineering component. So the video that was made that is related to this topic is called How to Draw a Round Wire Spring, right? So maybe after you have completed watching this video, perhaps you could visit the other video that was made previously to see how is a helix used to plot the round wire spring, okay? If that's okay with you. Right, so coming back to today's lesson. So in today's video, we will be looking at how to construct a helix given the height and the diameter, right? The height would be for the front elevation and the diameter would also give you the width for the front elevation and the plan would be a circle, so the diameter would give us the size of the plan. Is that okay? Good. I hope you're following so far. Right. So we need to understand the principles of the helix, as we said, because in the previous video, maybe it would have been a little bit challenging to understand the principles behind the construction of the round wire spring if you didn't watch this video before. So now is a good time to watch the video so that when you're finished watching this video, you can go and see the application of this topic being used to draw the round wire spring. Does that sound fair enough? All right, so let's get started. As stated earlier in the video, we'll be drawing a helix. So we are given the height and the diameter, and we're required to draw a helix, all right? So we're gonna start. All right, so we're gonna start off with our line to represent the front elevation of the helix construction, all right? So we're gonna go 90 measurement for the width, and we're gonna go down for the height, yes. Then we're gonna go across for the width, then we're gonna go up back for the height. All right, so there is our first step to draw the helix. All right, the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the plan, okay? So we need a circle because the circle will be a plan. The plan will be a circle, sorry. All right. All right, so there we have our front elevation and the plan. The height is represented by this distance, and the diameter is represented by the circle in the plan. Okay? Hope you're following so far. All right, so good job if you're with us. We're gonna move on now to the actual construction of the helix. Okay, good job. All right, so here we have the geometrical construction for the helix. What we have done, we have drawn this circle, which represents the plan view. Then in the front elevation, we have the rectangle, which represents the height. And what we have done, we have divided the height into 12 equal parts, right? Now, after we divide the side of the front elevation into 12 equal parts, we draw horizontal lines from the end of
these divisions. Then we divide the plan into 12 equal parts. We divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Where these divisional lines in the plan intersect the circle, we project lines to vertically to the front elevation. And what we're going to do now, we're going to plot the helix now. Okay, having plot the points from the plan and having divided the height of the cylinder, the helix, into 12 equal parts, we're going to plot the points now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. All right. Now the helix, the section going beyond 7 is normally drawn in hidden detail lines, okay? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna represent the hidden detail line on our cylinder, okay? And what we're gonna do also, we're gonna darken the helix that starts at from 1 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if you was using the traditional pencil with the equipment, yes, the drafting equipment, you would use your darker pencil now to darken up the required helix. Okay. All right. So here is our helix, right? And we started off with the circle and the rectangle to represent the front elevation of the construction principle that's needed for the helix. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to construct a helix. Now, the helix can be used to make other engineering components, and a video was made on this channel entitled How to Draw a Round Wire Spring. So perhaps you could visit that video, and having watched this video, you'll get a better understanding of what I was doing in the video entitled How to Draw a Round Wire Spring. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Good job if you got the drawing correctly done and clean. Good job. And thanks for watching. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the blending of lines and curves. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.